Hey everyone, Ryan with Von Scheller Family Experience, and I'm going to tell you how I got my Part 107 license in just 3 days, right after this. That's right, just 3 days and I got my Part 107 license. So first let's talk about why I got my license. Well, in January of 2020, we launched a multimedia division of my event production company, and I knew that part of the company is going to require drone, aerial photo, and video. I'd already been flying drones for about 5 years, just recreational, but I knew that I wanted to do it commercially and start making money with it. Once COVID hit and the pandemic hit and things started shutting down, our business got a little slower, I knew this was the perfect time. If I wanted to go out and shoot video and photo for real estate, for construction projects, for my YouTube channel, any of those things that you could profit off of, or anything that would be used commercially, I knew I needed a Part 107. Doesn't matter if you're charging or not, if it's being used commercially, you need a Part 107. So once the pandemic hit, I knew I had a little free time on my hands, and I started researching courses. So that was the why. Now let's talk about the where and how. So the how is you need to study. Sign up for one of these online courses or just watch YouTube videos. There's a lot of different courses you can sign up. Mine was $100, some of them on up to $500. I chose Remote Pilot 101 as a referral from a friend of mine. He had good success with it, and that's the one I chose. Really enjoyed the classes with Remote Pilot 101. The instructor had good energy, it was easy to follow, and I liked the structure of it versus just studying on my own through online YouTube videos. Tony Northrup has a great video out there. I know a lot of drone pilots out there that just watched his video a few times and took some practice tests and had good luck with getting in the 90 percentile. But I needed the structure of a course, and Remote Pilot 101 is what worked for me. So let's talk about where. You're going to need to take the test at a FAA testing facility. My facility was about an hour away, and like I said, I did set that test up for March, but they closed all the testing facilities and it got rescheduled to June. Once I had that scheduled test date, I started studying 3 days beforehand. I'm not the best test taker. I knew that I had to kind of do the cram in order to get that knowledge into me. So 3 days before, and I added up my hours. I spent about 20 hours total in 3 days studying. Now I did get down to the testing facility about an hour beforehand, and I spent that time watching Tony Northrup's video and just kind of refreshing on everything. Went in, they put you in a controlled room. They had, I think, 4 computers. There's 2 other people taking some tests for some other type of pilot's tests. They give you 2 hours. I took a little over an hour. It's 60 questions, and out of those 60 questions, they give you 3 potential answers. So you got a 33% chance of getting it right. Take your time, go through it. I was a little nervous because there was a lot of questions in there that I didn't recall seeing in the study guide and in the Remote Pilot 101 classes. But I got through it. I ended up with an 85%. And so I was pretty happy with that. 90% was my goal, but I'll take the 85 and go with it. So you're going to study the weather. You're going to study sectional maps so you can learn airspace and learn about towers and where you can fly, where you can't fly. You're going to learn about different situations that you might be put in and what's going to be the best way to handle that situation. And of course, you're going to learn drone safety, which is extremely important. So that was my experience with getting my Part 107. Get out there, sign up for one of the classes, find an FAA facility, get your Part 107. It doesn't take long. Even once I passed the test, it took about a week to get the temporary license online and about 6 weeks to actually get my license. So get out there, get it done, get flying safe, get flying smart, and enjoy.